Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting devices ready. Make sure your phone and Google Home or Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network and signed into the same Google account. Open the Google Home app now. It discovers compatible devices automatically. Tap the device card to start setup or casting. Once done, select Cast Screen or Cast Media from the app menu or Quick Settings on Android. This step establishes the control link so your phone can stream content to the TV. Next, focus on connecting and fine-tuning. From a streaming app, tap the cast icon and choose your Chromecast or TV. From Google Home, tap the device and select Cast My Screen for full mirroring. Make sure to allow local network and notification permissions when prompted, because Android requires them to discover devices. Once connected, adjust resolution and volume in the app or TV settings, and enable guest mode if you want others to cast without. To finish, stop casting from the app, the phone's quick settings, or the Google Home device card. Your TV will return to its previous input. If casting fails, reboot the Chromecast or TV, restart your phone, and power cycle the router. These quick resets clear network hiccups. Make sure phone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi band and update the Google Home and streaming apps. If problems persist, check for interference or factory. Reset the Chromecast as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.